The apartment lights flicker in perfect sync. Not random, not faulty wiring. A tenant notices the blinks form a pattern. Morse code. She writes it down, pulse by pulse. The message is clear. Leave now. Confusion spreads. Some laugh it off. Others unplug their lamps. But the lights keep blinking, even with the power cut. Tension builds. People whisper in the halls. Someone screams. Doors slam. Then, one by one, tenants begin to pack. The message repeats. Faster, more desperate. No one knows who or what is sending it. The building is never silent again.